Who's that? What's that?
It's for you.
No, it's not for me. It's for you?
Yeah.
Well, let's see what it says. That's for you and YY. Hang on, Allie, hang on.
Allie, stop.
Allie, go open it on the couch.
It's for you and Wyatt together.
Open it by Wyatt on the couch.
You and YY get to open it together.
Yeah? Show it to the camera, Allie. Say thank you, Gamma Gampot.
Okay,
Mom,
Allie,
this one mine.
I don't know. Bring it over and look at the tag. Yep, that one's yours.
Allie,
Open it on the couch. Allie, get the other one. Open it where the car is, Allie, on the couch. Yeah, it's a red buggy blanket.
That's from Gamma Gampot. Is that cool? Now you got a red buggy pillow and a red buggy blanket. Allie, open yours up.
Wyatt, show it to the camera. Turn it around so they can see the face. There you go. Yeah. Say thank you, Gamma Gampot. Blow him kisses. Allie, blow Gamma Gampot kisses. Say, that was it. That was all.
That's all there is.
Alright, wave goodbye. Say bye-bye. Say later, dude.